Today I'm going to see how many origami cranes can I make in 1 hour. Why? Because my excuse for not starting something is often, there's no point doing that now, there's only an hour. So today I proved that a lot can be done in 1 hour. Let's make some cranes. This is the middle of the time lapse. Don't forget to like or subscribe. Don't they all look nice and pretty together? So in 1 hour I made 20 1/4 origami paper cranes. I'm pretty happy with that. I reckon that's a good amount of cranes to make in 1 hour. I think that shows that a lot can be done in just 1 hour. It is definitely worth embarking on new ventures even if you only have 1 spare hour. Also, if you put all of these cranes wingtip to wingtip, they would be 2.83 meters wide. Wouldn't they be the same size if you just left them as flat paper and put it tip to tip? Yes, it would, but that's not the point. Be free! If I can do this in an hour, what can you do in just 1 hour? Think about it. What should I try to do in an hour next time? If you have any suggestions, put a comment down below. And remember, if you put your mind to it, you can accomplish anything. I must apologise if this video was too dark. It was only once I'd finished everything that I realised I could make the light brighter. Look at that, isn't that much brighter?